This is not just a fighter jet. It is a machine built for precision, speed, and stealth. Every stealth aircraft begins as a digital design. Its shape is engineered to control how it is seen. Before assembly starts, advanced materials are prepared. Strength, weight, and surface quality all matter from the first step. Automated systems lay composite layers with extreme accuracy. This process helps create lightweight parts with exact structural balance. The wing sections are formed under strict conditions. Their shape is built for performance and reduced detectability. The air intake system is carefully assembled next. Its design helps manage airflow while protecting the aircraft's signature. Now the center fuselage begins to take shape. This section holds critical internal systems, fuel, and weapons space. The internal weapons bay is installed with precision. Keeping weapons inside helps the aircraft maintain a cleaner outer profile. Major aircraft sections are then joined together. This is where separate components become a single combat platform. Every surface seam is refined and finished. In stealth manufacturing, even the smallest gap can matter. Next comes the radar-absorbent outer coating. This special layer helps the aircraft reduce how strongly it reflects signals. Sensors, avionics, and electronic systems are integrated inside. A stealth fighter must be as intelligent as it is advanced. Then, the engine is installed into the rear fuselage. This is the power source that brings the aircraft to life. With assembly complete, system checks begin. Fuel lines, electronics, and onboard functions are all tested in detail. Control surfaces and moving parts are tested on the ground. Each motion must respond perfectly before flight is approved. The aircraft rolls out for engine run and taxi testing. Now the machine is no longer just a project, it is almost ready. At last, the stealth fighter takes to the sky. After months of engineering and precision, the aircraft proves itself in flight.